Hello, hello. What's up, family? How you doing? Happy International Women's Day to all of us. Strong women, powerful women, women who are making change, positive change. Yeah. I'm out here in Buchanan City, in the loop, Arcelor Mittal loop. One thing I can tell you about this place is, look, the whole terrain, the whole compound, everything about this place screams calmness. One gets to live here for maybe a year or so, a very determined person, trust me, you will have things happening for you because you get to focus. It's like you are, far away from a lot of distraction. So you keep the focus, you grow, you just want to do things, you think a lot. We have a lot of coconut trees all planted here. The houses are far apart from each other. It's a beautiful scene. I feel a lot calmer in the loop. You see this dress that I'm wearing? Check out the Lala's fashion house. The Lala Edna's inspiration. Yeah, this is one of her pieces. So, if you need a piece from there, you check her out. There are a lot of bats living in these coconut trees. And also there's something that I, learned. Most of the trees here that are bearing fruits, either the fruits fall by themselves. People don't just pick up spoon, to throw them or pick them. Like how we do in Monrovia City. No? If it's not for you, you leave it. Maybe I need to come out here in the night and do a nighttime video of the people's street lights in Liberia. So y'all can know what the street light is. The way I want to say before my video I did in Liberia, just to say that nothing are there. The thing where the camera see that you can pick up. You're looking at your own street light, you're saying that darkness are capturing and won't tell the world bad thing about Liberia. You're alright. The thing when not there, the camera will not take it. If it's there, the camera will pick it up. I hope I get a strength to come out here in the night to capture these people, in the street like how you're looking at night time. when you come and say, oh, you want to show the bad thing about the country, show a good thing. What's interesting, there's a lot of positive videos, you know, great videos that I've done. You can talk, you will not make one comment on it. But as soon as it goes different, yeah, then you will come. Opposition get it very with me. Why I'm making fan video? I'm promoting the government. Proper government get it very with me. The day ain't look good to them. I say bad thing about the government, but then I want to about the country. Nobody will stress my stress in the country. Just want my camera see that why we put it. Yeah. And I reach tired. This feels like heaven. Jesus. What? AC. Let me close this door. I'm not trying to drink cold water, but because of the temperature, I think I need some cold water right now.